Rugged smartphone with 10,600 mAh big batter. Oukitel WP16 smartphone is equipped with a large 10,600 mAh battery, 18W fast charging for 4 hours, standby time 883 hours, and 66 hours of continuous calls, suitable for business trips or other outdoor activities. With the OTG cable, WP16 Android 11 mobile phone can also be used as a power bank. 20MP night vision plus 20MP front camera. 20MP night vision camera clearly photographs the scene even in a total darkness at night, recording your house pet sleep at bedroom, searching for missing small stuff outdoor, helping fishing at river, and protects you from dangerous creatures. The 20MP front camera offers high resolution. You will always be the protagonist of WP16 cell phone. The latest Android 11 operating system and octa-core processor, the large 6.39-inch screen, and Corning's third-generation tempered glass make our mobile phones have super anti-drop and shock-proof performance. Oukitel WP16 is a military protective rugged smartphone with IP68 waterproof, IP69K dustproof, MIL STD810 drop-resistant standard, and a variety of outdoor functions which can run smoothly even in harsh environments. Oukitel WP16 outdoor cell phone with large RAM of 8GB, which will provide the phone much buffer space and faster running performance, enables you to run multitasks, stream videos, play games and chat without ever hitting a limit. And the 128GB of internal storage can definitely meet your every need for storage space, from running games and apps to keeping your full library of photos, videos and entertainment on hand. WP16 is a high-performance rugged cell phone, very suitable for outdoor workers, builders and travel enthusiasts. Oukitel WP16 unlocked smartphone is cheaper price comparing with other brands, but great quality.